Dad, I bet you can't do that Rubik's Cube.
I have no idea how to do this. How much do you want to bet that... Well, maybe I could figure it out. How much do you want to bet that I could do this?
5 seconds.
You don't... No, how much do you want to bet? How much money?
$85,000.
$85,000 that I can do this? I don't know. You don't think I can?
Nope.
All right, let's put it down and we'll see if I can do it. $85,000, you're on. All right, let's see here. Maybe turn it like this.
You're not gonna get this, Dad.
I don't know. Maybe I'll try this. Maybe here.
This is gonna be
good. I'll flip it
easy
around.
money.
Gosh. Got some oranges there. Oh man, I might be in trouble. I have no idea
Give up.
what I'm doing.
You don't know what you're doing, Dad. Don't mess up.
Hey, I know what I'm doing. Maybe?
Doubt it.
What about this top part? What do you think, mister?
Looks awful.
Oh, come on.
I don't think you're gonna get those $85,000.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, it's not looking good, is it?
Even my Barbies can do better than you.
You think?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you gotta pay me $85,000.
Maybe, I don't know, just spinning pieces here.
Womp womp.
There's kind of some green. Oh, no. I don't know, guys. Maybe I'll try this.
Looks awful.
Stop making fun of me.
Oh,
Hey, look how many yellows I got right there.
You're the one that made the bet, so I'm gonna make fun of you as much as
I think
You guys
Chewbacca
are
can do better
mean.
than you, too.
Even that chair over there would be better than you. You're awful.
Chewbacca is a Wookiee, and he talks very weirdly, and I still think he can do better than you.
Same.
Oh, come on.
Plus, he has very hairy fingers.
Same with BB-8. I bet he can do better than you.
And he doesn't have any.
Guys,
arms.
can I focus, please? I'm really trying here.
Jeez.
We
Dad.
want you to do bad.
Yeah, so I can get that $85,000.
Exactly.
You can get it or keep it.
You can keep it.
Well, I want to get it. I never had it, so
You have it in your bank account.
I am
Yeah,
gonna...
just steal from your bank account and put it in mine.
All right,
or-
shh. What if I flip this over here like that and then flip that around? On the bottom, I feel like I'm onto something here. Maybe that goes that way?
It looks like a unicycle.
What's a unicycle?
A bike with one wheel.
Stop making fun. Hey, look, I've got the top 2 rows kind of going. Maybe not. You guys really don't think I can do this? Should I give up?
Yep.
Yep. I mean, no.
Give up in 5.
Hey, look, I just got the top 2 rows, I think. Maybe?
Well, have you finished it? No.
No. I'm going to,
Take
though.
that in your face.
You guys know what resolve is?
No. No
You
idea.
know what persistence is?
Yes.
No. I mean, yes.
It's a new year, you guys.
So.
Yeah,
I'm
and this
redefining
year we
myself.
decided to make fun of you more.
Can I please focus on this? I am working really hard.
If you take me on a first class trip to Paris, yeah.
with the $85,000 that I'm about to win.
Yeah.
No.
And leave the rest.
I know. I
and
feel
leave
like just
three
giving up here.
behind.
Hey.
I'm sticking with it, guys. You can learn a thing or two about life here. Stick
already know what you
with
want.
it.
Stick with the stick.
It's tough.
I'm already living my life, and I get to decide what's in my life. You don't.
That doesn't make any
Same.
sense. Can I please focus?
Take that in your
Maybe.
face.
What if I move this right piece here and then this top piece this way?
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna.
I feel like all the Rubik's Cube people that like, you know, all the professionals or the engineers or the geniuses, the savants, they're probably laughing at me right now.
Exactly. And they're smiling
Like
at
that
us
Max
because we're the
dude.
best
They're like,
ever.
what is this guy doing?
Like this Max dude that can solve a Rubik's
Hey,
Cube
wait.
in 3 seconds.
Hang on. I might be onto something. I got all yellows at the top.
Oh, dang it. No, please. No.
I want to go on that first class trip to Paris.
Same.
Hey, no, I said you couldn't come. So it's cheaper.
Hang on. I'm going to try to move this.
Or
try to move
should
this.
I go to a
Which
Taylor
way?
Swift concert?
Which way should I move this one?
Oh, so you don't want to go out to a Taylor Swift concert?
No.
Dang it. Well, you just think she sings about
All right.
boys.
I think I'm going this way. Come on, baby. I feel like I'm really close.
I feel like you're sucking.
Hey, you're not allowed to use
Take
that
in
word.
your face.
No, seriously, you're not allowed to use that word.
My friend was here.
Sorry, Dad.
It's all right. Maybe this. Well, we'll talk about that later. Maybe this way here. Oh, wait. Oh, man, look. I'm like so close. Are you guys sweating right now?
No.
Got the orange side. Dang it. Oh, I am sweating like crazy. Oh.
All right, what does the smart person do right here? Maybe this way. Maybe like that. Come on, baby.
No.
Come on, baby. I am.
Please. Oh, no.
I'm close.
No.
I gotta reach down deep. I am gonna solve this thing. This is my goal. You gotta want it.
I really hope.
Hang
you
on,
don't
maybe
win.
I'm gonna move that this way. Come on, baby. What next? What next?
No. Oh, why does this have to happen?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, what?
What the? Oh my god, I did it! I'm a genius! $85,000, please.
Yes.
No, seriously. You owe me 85 G's, dude. How much you got?
Seriously?
How much you got?
$20-something.
That's it? I figured this out for nothing?
I have 65.
Alright, I guess that'll do.